Amazing. Thank you to those of you that are standing room only. Does not make you guys feel amazing down here. We have chairs. There are some chairs down here. If your feet get tired, don't be shy. You won't be interrupting anything. We're going to keep things rolling. You guys ready for the next one? Let's bring up the next entrepreneur. Bring all the energy for our next presenter, who is giving people the ability to choose what goes in their, wait for it, soap. This is Soapy Soap. Please help me welcome the co-founder, Mohammed A. Mahdi.
Hey everybody, we're Soapy Soap Company, and for the last 5 years, we've been living, breathing, eating soap. And we've already generated over $500,000 in revenue and sold over 60,000 bars of soap. And recently, we launched our newest product, TheMadOptimist.com, the world's first online custom soap making studio. With the trend of personalization products, we're leveraging that into the personal body care market, which is a $3.5 billion market. And of that, personalization is $1 billion. Personalization is the wave of the future, especially with millennials who want products made just for them. And especially for millennials who want products made just for them. And we know that we can set ourselves aside with all the other soap players. This is only possible due to our proprietary manufacturing process, which we call the volcano method. Usually it takes about 30 to 60 days for soap to cure. But with our volcano method, the soap is ready and safe to use the same day. DesignMySoap.com is all about you, the customer. You get to choose what you want to put on your body. You get to choose your skin type, then you get to create your own essential oil blend. And then you get to choose your add-ins and exfoliants. You get to name your soap label, you get to choose your soap label, and my favorite part, you get to name your own soap. And Steve, we name him for you, we call it Steve Centurama. And you can see, people take real ownership of their soap. This is why Design My Soap is true personalization. You can come up with 20 million possible combinations, and there are no minimums. And your soap gets shipped to your door within 10 days. There's nothing else like this in the market. Our team got Design My Soap up and running in just 1 month using the lean startup model. And we already got a lot of media attention with being on the Reply All podcast, and we were featured in Oprah's O magazine. And when you get Oprah's attention, you know it has to be something big. And even before we implemented our social media sharing features, customers were already organically sharing their soap designs online. And when it was a real 1.0 website, this proves that people really wanted to design their own soap. It's not just about soap. This is an experience. Currently, our current repeat order rate is 14% and growing. We've come this far with spending less than $300 on marketing and advertising. Yeah, I know, right? So look at what we can, and we know with added resources, we can accomplish so much more. In 5 years, we anticipate to generate over $16 million in revenue. That's a lot of soap, right? Yeah, it is. And we are the team to do this. Our core team consists of my brother, Mohammed M., myself, Mohammed A., and Anthony. And if you forget his name, you can call him Mohammed too. That's all. Some of you guys to smell the soap. Yeah, that's our most spicy. This is one of my favorites. It's our rosemary mint. My friends, we pass around with the judges and everything.
So I'll ask the first question. This is phenomenal, really interesting.
Thank you.
You're manufacturing soap. Talk a little bit about your special curing process. What are you doing differently than what Procter & Gamble would be able to set up and have lines running right now that can do this?
Yeah, so like I was saying, all three of us, we've been living, breathing, eating soap for the last 5 years. We've been perfecting our product. And usually it takes 30 to 60 days for the soap to cure. And when we started the soap company, we were trying different methods, and that's when we came up with our own volcano method. It just happened. And with that possible, that's how Design My Soap came up. And we're in Indiana, right in Bloomington. We have a 5,000 square feet manufacturing facility. That's where we do all the manufacturing right there. We hand cut all the soap bars. We do everything right here in Indiana. And we want to add more jobs right here, more manufacturing jobs, especially target like laid off manufacturing jobs and get them in because they're hardworking people. So yeah.
Talk a little bit about growth. Like, what's your vision? Where do you want to go? How do you expand?
Yeah, definitely. We, in 5 years, like I said before, we anticipate $16 million in revenue. And when you think of Indiana Soapy Soap Company, we want to be the capital of all natural body care product in the world. And with more content marketing, you can see we spent like $300 on advertising. So we know with more advertising, with more content marketing, with more social media sharing, we know this can go national to the world.
So I just want to thank you for Steve Cinerama after spending the past week on the bus with us. But I wonder if you can talk just a bit about price sensitivity. I imagine customers don't want to pay too much for soap and how that affects your margins.
Yeah, so our bars of soap for Design My Soap are $8 a bar, and that's a very competitive price. People know these are quality ingredients. We use, all our soaps are all halal, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and we use essential oils. So when our customers buy the soap, they know they're quality ingredients, and it's a very competitive price point. Like our Soapy Soap Company bars, they're $7, so for $1 more, you can customize and choose your own ingredients. Yeah.
So do you have any hillbilly soap?
Yeah,
Just kidding. I would like to know what is in Steve Cinerama.
what would you like?
All good. I think the fact you did this with $300 is amazing. And obviously, the tech startup, but it's, some things like Under Armour just started a little t-shirt company, Chipotle just started a little burrito company. So I really applaud the fact that you're doing something different. So why did you just spend $300 versus like $400?
Honestly, we're bootstrapping everything. So we were doing everything in-house. My brother, who's right there, he actually designed the website. He did everything himself. We helped. And we just went on to do a lot more earned media. And with more money, we know we can get something really big. And it was just more, we were focusing more on, we're making that hard. So we don't know the marketing background. We thought, people try the product, they're going to like it, they're going to, tell their friends and everything. But we know with more marketing resources, we definitely can get this big. Yeah.
And where will those next resources be spent in
And it'll be more on focus on content marketing, especially with doing advertising on podcasts, and pretty much also on blogs and our websites, and educating the customers about our products, about all natural body care. Because a lot of soap products, they have animal fat, beef fat, and alcohol. People don't know that. With our soaps, they're all vegan, they're all halal. We have ingredients, simple ingredients like olive oil, canola oil, oils you can pronounce, ingredients you can pronounce. So, yeah.
Great job. And by the way, JD said he's a customer. So there you go.
All right, thank you.
You guys, we did it. We beat Andrew Luck. We are trending on Twitter above anything else, even Andrew Luck. So if you go to Twitter right now and look at Indianapolis, we are trending #RiseOfRest at the very top. It's because you guys are sharing. So keep it coming. Keep the enthusiasm coming as we welcome new entrepreneurs onto the stage. Keep sharing about this. Keep telling other people about the awesome companies you're seeing here. And keep the awesome questions coming, judges. Ready for the next one? Yeah. All right.